So this is my PLC controlled conveyor. We are having the conveyor here with all the sensors around. You can see the end stop sensors, which are basically here to detect the position, the home position, end position, and the drop and the peak position of the conveyor. Here we have just a simple laser diode, which is emitting light through the ball, which will be standing here, into the receiving sensor, which is a photoresistor inside over there. Each sensor is connected to the PLC unit, which is this one here, and it's controlled by an Arduino Uno, which is harvesting information from the conveyor, from the sensors, and from the robot. Unfortunately, I have no sensors on top of the robot, and basically this signal here, when this light will be on, basically the robot says, "I've got the ball." And that is only a software input, let's say, made through these wires from the Arduino Mega, which is controlling the robot, through the PLC. This is the driver unit, the driving unit for the conveyor's motor. This is just a power supply from 12 volts to 5 volts, powering the Arduino and the driver. Moving on, this is the power supply for all the engines of the robot, and it's a 24 volt. Then we have a power converter from 12 to 5 volt for the Arduino Mega, and the smaller driving units, the drivers. These two smaller drivers are basically for axis number 6, which is this one, and axis number 5, which is this one. The other axes are this one, this one, which is basically this motor here, the big ones, and the first one, the rotation one. So yeah, it has got a servo motor for the mantis gripper. And yeah, this is basically it. The PLC is also connected to the computer, because it's also showing basically everything. Instead of having LEDs here and there, basically I can also see it on the computer, and that can also be an input for a future project, which will consist in having probably a SCADA GUI for an easier understanding of what's happening. But yeah, that's just for the future. So at this moment the robot is blocked and the conveyor is in the middle, as you can see, and the warning light is on because I have the ball. Once I will place the ball, it will start. So the warning light is shut off. The robot is still blocked in home position, and it will wait up until the conveyor will reach the peak position, which is sensed by that sensor over there. Now the left has turned on, the robot has started, it's not locked anymore. It's picking the ball. The LED which stated that he had the ball has got on, and now it will be locked into home position until the conveyor will reach the right position, the drop position. It has reached it. The robot is with the ball in the home position. Now the conveyor is reaching the dropping position. It has reached it. The robot is now dropping. And the conveyor will start moving to the pick position. But what happens if I pick the ball? The robot will be blocked in home position. Now it has reached home. Warning light is still on up until I will leave the ball. Off we go. And everything is also on the screen. Robot has reached the pick position and robot is starting. So robot has got the ball. Robot is blocked into home up until it will reach the dropping position. It's still in the middle. When it will reach left, that will shut off. Now the robot is unlocked. The ball is still inside of the gripper. When the gripper will unload, this will shut off and the other one with light, because it will be locked from the PLC in the home position up until the ball will reach the other end position, the pick position. So again, if I take the ball, warning light on, robot still locked, and the other one is shut off because I have the ball, the robot doesn't have it. Warning light off, and off we go.